Lego Game Boy Speed Build. Let's go. Right, so let's open this up. What we got? Right, 5 bags. Got some extras. And we've got an instruction booklet. Before we start building, one of the things I love about recent Lego sets, it's a really cool background information you get about the sets within them. So in here we've got information about what the buttons did on the Game Boy. You've got infographics showing where the cartridges and stuff went in. And then we've got the box that the original Game Boy came in, plus advertising at the time. So this set is going to be coming with 2 different sets, so 2 different games within it. So we've got Zelda and Super Mario. Super Mario in particular was one of the games that I love playing. This was my first ever games console as a kid. This is why I wanted this set so badly. Big nostalgia for me. It's Super Mario Land. Spent hours playing that as a kid, jumping on the little monsters, collecting the boxes, powering up to the different types of Mario. Zelda I played a bit of, not as much, but still good memories playing that. So yeah, here's bag 1. Okay, so the first one we've built is this little holder almost for the little info cards. So they actually move, which is a really nice little detail. But yeah, they just sit in there nice at the moment, so put them aside and carry on. Sticker time. A good little trick for those who don't know. Stick your stickers on your Ujima flip, and then you can just line them up nicely and peel off. No dramas. There we go. And that is bag 1 done. We've got 1 games cartridge, the Mario one in this case, which just sits on there, and you've got your completed stand ready to go. Bag 2, let's do it. All the dots. Lots of lines to go over our dots now. Now we have the back of the Game Boy as well. It's time to get aside now. Second side on. That's the bottom one. Okay, that's 2 bags down, and so far we've got the back build of our Game Boy. Really love the colouring detail inside of it so far. It's been really fun to build this part. So bag 1, it's a little games console cartridge that goes in it. The slides at the back. Imagine we're going to be building another one of those seconds. We've got a second cartridge to build. But yeah, let's carry on, see how we. Iconic brick, Nintendo Game Boy sign. Look at that. We've got a D-pad in, and it moves. And that looks like the bottom half pretty much done. How cool is that? And that is the end of bag 3. We've got buttons in now, D-pad, start, select buttons. So this bottom section looks pretty much done, a little bit more detailing to go on here. But otherwise, good progress after 3 bags. Okay, so we're getting some of the final little details on now. So we've got a volume scroller here, a little brick there to resemble the external connector. In the front, we've got the front screen, battery light, some of the detailing that used to be on the original Game Boy, such as the lights, and another scroller on this side for contrast. And now we've got the little Nintendo screen in. Last bag, there we go. There we have a little stand for the Game Boy. Okay, sticker time again. Here we go. Got me a wrong jangle. So this side up, and yeah, on it goes. And that spots in the back like that. So there we go, we've got Zelda playing in our Game Boy now. And there we have it, Lego set complete. Really like the detailing on this one. Things such as games cartridge that slot in and out. You can open it up at the back here and you've got your different options. So you've got the Game Boy one in here. You can also have it playing one of the games. So we've got the Mario jumping up and down. We've got the Zelda one there. I'm going to stick with the Nintendo loading screen for the moment. I might swap that round as a display set. It just slots back in and your back clips back on. But yeah, just detailing such as the little start select buttons that you can press. Got your ABs, got your X-pad. Yeah, and little things, contrast wheels, the volume wheel on the other side. Just makes it a really authentic look. You've got the on and off switch at the top, which turns. Like I said at the start, I had one of these. This is what it looked like. Weight wise, it doesn't feel too dissimilar either. It brings back little childhood memories, sitting there playing Mario, Tetris, Zelda, whatever other games I had at the time. But yeah, really enjoyed building that. It's going to take pride of place in the display going forward. And yeah, until next time, remember, however your day's going, you've still got bricks.